Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. I already explained you that. Later on again I will tell you. Today you see question number 3 because this is very important question. This type of question we have not done till now. Find the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Okay? 4 digits least number we have to find and it should be a perfect square. So now least number of 4 digits is how much? That is 1000. So well, let us find the square root of 1000. When we did the long division method, we found that 39 is all alone. And when I subtracted 1000 minus 39, we got a number 961. Now 961 is the square root of the number 31. And moreover 961 is a 3-digit number. We have to find a 4-digit number. So 31 का स्क्वायर क्या है 961. तो हम क्या करेंगे let us see what is the square of 32. Okay, so when we multiplied 32 two times we got 1024. So 1024 is the least number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. Okay, here 2 steps are involved because when we took the 4-digit number and we found its square root, it comes as a 3-digit number and they are asking for a 4-digit number. So later on next immediate number, suppose here it was coming, suppose here it was coming as 35 and this 3-digit number, it is a 3-digit number. Okay, so then what will be the next number? It can be 36 which may be a 4-digit number. Okay, clear? Now today we will see one more new topic, how to find the square root of rational numbers or fractions. See, this is very simple. You will get two numbers one above the other in form of fraction in the square root and you have to find their you have to solve them and find the answer. See example, find the square root of 196. So 196, so let us find, it means you have to find the root over of 196 by 225. It means the root over of 196 by root over of 225. Now root over 196 is equal to 14 and 225 is 15. So the answer is 14 by 15. Okay, and these things you have to show because you know how to find. Now then immediately you can write. Clear? So some of the questions I have done for you, some are your homework, very less homework since you have weekend, and so that only one topic is left in the live classes. We have to move quickly because all in all 9 to 10 chapters we have to finish before half yearly. So simplify and write the following in P by Q form. 1 is done for you. 6 whole 1 by 4 will be simplified as root over 25 by root over 20, root over 25 by root over 4. That is root over 25 by root over 4. Now, sorry, this is 5 by 2. Okay. Question number 2, sixth part. 1183 by 2023. Now here what you will do when you will start finding the square root of 1183, now you won't be able to get a perfect answer. No perfect answer. So first think if the number can be reduced. If both the numbers can be reduced, na, like we used to write 2 by 4, then it can be reduced as 1 by 2, isn't it? So if it can be reduced, reduce the number. Like I did it when I checked, it was getting reduced by 7. Okay, so we got the new number as 169 by 289. Now the square root of 169 is 13 and square root of 289 is 17. 13 by 17 is your answer. Clear? At times when you feel that this is not a perfect square, maybe they can be cancelled and later on you will get the answer. So some of the works are done as classwork and the homeworks are marked there. Please do them. Question number 3, to find the area of the square field. The area of the square field is this much, find its side. Now we know that the side is, if I assume side as x, so then area will be x square. So x square is 23 whole 394 by 729. So x will be root over 23 whole 394 by 729. On solving we got the number as root over 17161 by 729 and the square root of 17161 is 131 and for 729 it is 27. So writing 131 by 27, simplifying, this is the answer in centimeter because it is the side of the square. Now one again you have to do, fifth one you have to do. So they are again asking you to find the square root. Okay, so isko you just solve. It will be root over 75. Square root of this number will be root over 75 whole 46 by 49. Now you multiply and solve and write the answer. Question number 6 and 7. All are of same kind, so not to take lot of time. For 6, I am doing one for you. Root over 576 plus root over 196 by root over 576 minus root over 196. So root over 576 is 24, root over 196 is 14. Adding them and subtracting them, you get the answer as this. Simplify the following, same kind of questions we have done. So please see, if they can be reduced, reduce it. Otherwise, find the square root of the given numbers and solve. Fine. So that was all for today. You have a weekend, enjoy your weekend and do the homework. See you in the live class from Monday onwards. Thank you.